Working and playing in VR can be fun and productive. No matter if you just purchased a brand new Meta Quest 2 or had it for a while, there are some accessories that can elevate your experience. In this video, I'm going to share some accessories from AMVR, the 5-in-1 set for the Meta Quest 2. These accessories were sent to me for free by AMVR, so a special thank you. This isn't a sponsored video, nor do they have any input on what I say about the products, and will not have access to review the video before its release. Getting a new VR headset, or even if you have been using one for a while, it is not a cheap device, and it can get a bit dicey because you can't see your surroundings. Having a VR headset, the Meta Quest 2, since Christmas of 2021, there are a few accessories that I feel are a must-have to elevate your experience. AMVR offers the 5-in-1 kit, and I would say at least 2 accessories are must-haves, and the other 3 are good-to-haves or bonus pieces, and honestly, great value getting it in this kit. First, let's look at what 5 pieces come in the box. Let's start with the must-haves, starting with the silicone cover. And this is a must-have because if you are rocking the original cover and have been in VR for work or gaming for long periods of time, it can get sweaty and over time be pretty gross because it's just a cloth spongy material that just soaks up everything. Now, if you have purchased a Meta Quest 2 recently, most likely it came with a silicone cover and easily can get worn out and needs replacing over time. The silicone cover is a perfect must-have for those long VR sessions and easy to wash and clean before your next session. What is different with this silicone cover from AMVR versus the one that comes in the box? Well, this has a nose piece that helps prevent light from coming into the headset, giving you a more immersive experience. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. So all you need to do is just go over your original cover. You don't need to purchase anything extra for this to work. You just got to make sure everything is aligned. Perfect. Once you have everything aligned, you can see that it just fits nice and perfect. It's nice and snug. It covers that cloth piece and it fits right over your face where it normally would. But again, this nose piece is what makes this even better than the one that comes in the box. I absolutely love it when playing games and even when working in VR using Immersed, so the least amount of light doesn't take away from my VR experience. The second must-have accessory, which comes in 2 pieces, is these touch controller grips with a battery opening. And this is a must-have for a couple of reasons. When playing games, you get a better grip, and this piece here helps lock in your hand so your controller doesn't go flying into a wall or TV screen. I love this, and it's adjustable to fit a variety of hand sizes. And honestly, I never use my controllers without these. After using this for a month now, they held up great. It's easy to adjust the grips when my kids are playing and feel more secure and confident. The controller is not going to go flying. I also feel more confident when I'm playing games that are fast-paced, like Beat Saber and Pistol Whip. So to show you how to install these, it's very, very simple. You take off the original cover off your controller, and these come in right and left. You should see some indicators that will show that it's right or left. This one is right. I don't know if you see that, but it's inside. And all you do is just pop it in just like that. And when you install these, you want to install it without the battery cover first. Once you have the grip in, all you need to do is pop the cover, adjust as needed to your hand, and you are good to go. I don't have very large hands. However, what's great about this, it is adjustable, so it can fit larger hands as well as smaller hands like my daughter's. She's only 9 years old, and it works great. If you are playing lots of games and use the headset a lot, batteries can start dying fast and need replacing. This battery opening makes it super easy to switch out batteries and get you back into VR and have fun more and more and more. So literally, you just put your finger in there. There's a little bit of an indent. You pop that off, you take off your battery, and you are good to go. So the grips are good quality and seem like they will last a long time. The only thing that I would be worried about is the string that is right here. Depending on how much you tighten them and adjust can be the weak spot, and we'll probably do a follow-up on the grip specifically, probably after 3 to 6 months, to see how they fare over time. AMVR has thought of that and has given you as well backup strings just in case it does break. So I think they are aware that that is a weak point. And it's cool is that they originally come with white string. This is just an elastic string here. And they also have black ones in here as well if you want to customize it to match the other accessories that you have. Now that we've gone over the silicone cover as well as the touch grips, for me, those are the must-haves. That is only my opinion, and these other accessories that we're going to be talking about are great. Not something I would get over the other two, but with the 5-in-1 kit, they are included and a great addition. Let's take a look at the transparent protective shell that goes over the Meta Quest 2 to help protect the brains and aesthetics of the headset from bumps and scrapes. So here is the protective cover right here. It's got some branding on there. It is kind of difficult to see. And essentially, it's really easy and goes right over top of your Meta Quest 2. It's nice, it's clear, it's hardly noticeable, it's very, very light. It has ventilation holes right above and below and all around the sides, which is great for getting airway through. It has great cutouts specifically for the volume rocker as well as the cameras. The cameras are pretty precise so they don't get in the way, as well as the mics. So the mics on the headsets are completely free and you'll be able to use this. I had no issues using it. The great thing with this as well, to protect the sides, I do have a Meta Quest 2 headset strap, elite strap. But as you can see, it also comes for covers for the side as well, which is cool. This one here, and they're actually labeled right and left. And these just kind of snap into the side. As you can see, it works well with the elite strap. And the left one just pops right in the same way. Nice and clear. And a good to have. Having this is nice and gives you a sense of security. It obviously won't protect it from a massive fall or bump to a hard surface. So just keep that in mind. Next is the cleaning cloth. Again, a good to have, a great to keep close to clean the lenses on the inside of the headset and the 4 cameras on the outside. I always have a microfiber cloth in my office or in my living room, all over my house, everywhere. So I don't use this myself. As you can see, it's actually still in the cellophane. But like I said, it is a good to have and can make a huge difference in clarity in VR when the lens get a bit dirty. So just for demonstration, I will take this out. Again, it's nice and large. Very easy to clean the inside, get out any smudges. And like I said, the camera lenses as well on the outside, just to give it a nice clean, and you're good to go. Really nice to have in the kit. Lastly, we have the lens protector when not in use. I have read some instances where people have had spiders find their way inside their VR headsets. Hopefully there isn't spider issues in your neck of the woods. This will help to protect your lenses and hopefully not have spiders get in there. This is a good to have. I do have a carrying case for my Meta Quest 2, and it's perfect to use this when packing and putting my controllers in to protect it from possible scratches or bumps along the way. And this is a good to have and a nice addition. So you simply just grab the lens cover and it pops right in and you're good to go. These are the 5 accessories in this kit. It's great to get added value, especially if you are already thinking about or looking to buy at least 2 out of the 5 accessories I mentioned. If you like the kit, check out the links in the description below. If you use the links, it helps the channel and no additional charges to you. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. If you want to watch more tech videos or reviews, click here. And to watch one of my latest videos, click here. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.